Now it's time for our dragon to take a little bit more of a 3D shape, because right now it's just a flat piece of paper. It looks like he's been flattened by a car. So what we're going to do is, this is the tail section, and this is going to be his belly area, because here are his legs. So along this line here, which you can see right